Welcome to MarsWebTech's Custom Article Creation feature. This is your creative canvas for crafting personalized blog posts exactly the way you want them. Start by entering your article title. This is what will grab your reader's attention first, so make it compelling. Next, select a category for your article and add relevant tags separated by commas. These help organize your content and make it more discoverable. You can enhance your article with visuals by adding an image URL. Strong visuals can significantly increase reader engagement. This is your workspace to write, format, and perfect your article. The editor supports rich text formatting with various paragraph styles, bold, italic, lists, and more. Notice the formatting toolbar that gives you complete control over how your content looks and feels. Check out the hot trending topics section. These keywords represent what people are searching for right now. Recent activity management. Navigate to Custom Article, Recent Activity. Once you've created content, the Recent Activity section becomes your content management hub. MarsWebTech integrates directly with popular platforms like WordPress and Blogger, eliminating the need to manually copy and paste your content. The Actions column gives you quick access to edit, delete, or manage each article. You're never more than one click away from making changes to your content.